Hello students, in the previous class we discussed some down classification questions. Okay, in this class we continued that class. First question, in the figure show the velocity of each particle. In the figure show the velocity of each particle at the end of 4 seconds will be at the end of 4 seconds will be option A 0.872 meter per second, option B 8.72 meter per second, option C 0.218 meter per second, option D 2.18 meter per second, and the figure is like this. Figure is like this. Here, two masses are suspended by using a string through a pulley. Find out what is the acceleration of each particle at the end of 4 seconds. At the end of 4 seconds. Here, acceleration direction is the body of mass B. Mass is given 11.5 and 11.5 g indicates weight of the body. 11.5 g indicates weight of the body. Therefore, mass of the body B is 11.5 kg. Similarly, compared to this body B mass is more. Body B mass is greater. Okay. Body A mass is less than body B mass, or body B mass is greater than body A mass. Here body A mass is not given. Okay. Actually in question the body A mass is given. That is 11 kg. 11 kg. Body A mass is 11 kg. Note down this point. Body A mass is 11 kg and body B mass is 11.5 kg. Okay, this is the question. Find out velocity of each particle at the end of 4 seconds. Here the tension is acting in the upward direction. Here the tension is acting in upward direction, and acceleration of the body is upward direction. Okay, acceleration of the body is upward direction. Now write the free body diagram for body A and body B. For body B, free body diagram, acceleration direction and weight direction is same. Therefore, we take it as 11 point. This is M1 and this is M2. Body A is M1, body B is M2. Therefore, M2G minus tension is in upward direction T, acceleration that is MA. Therefore, from this equation, we can substitute the value of body mass value. This is M2. M2 is 11.5 into G minus T is equal to 11.5 into G. 11.5 into G. From this equation, we can simplify the T value. T value is T comes to this side. Therefore, 11.5 is common. Therefore, G minus A is equal to T. Tension is equal to T is equal to 11.5 G minus C. Similarly, for body, this is for body B, and for body A, acceleration is in upward direction. Therefore, tension T is taken as positive, and weight minus 11 G take it as negative. That is equal to M1 is 11 into acceleration is is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. To compare these two equations, and simplify the acceleration. A is equal to how much? 11.5 into g minus a is equal to 11 into g plus a. 11 into g plus a. 11.5g minus 11.5a is equal to 11.11g plus 11a. Here group acceleration in one side and acceleration due to gravity in other side. Okay. This acceleration term comes to this side, it becomes positive, and this comes to this side negative. 11.5g minus 11g, 11.5g minus 11g is equal to 11.5a plus 11g. Okay. Therefore, 11.5g minus 11a is 0.5g is equal to 22.5e. A is equal to put the value of a is equal to 9.8. A is equal to 0.5 into 9.8 divided by 22.5. Therefore, acceleration becomes 0.218 meter per second square. A is equal to 0.218 meter per second square. Acceleration is 0.218 meter per second square. But we want velocity after 4 seconds. Velocity we can calculate it. V is equal to u plus a. Initially the pulleys are at rest. V is equal to u plus a. T is equal to 4 seconds. A value is 0.218 meter per second square. Therefore, V is equal to 0 plus 0.218 into V is equal to u plus a. T is 4 seconds. Therefore, V is equal to 0.872 meter per second. After 4 seconds, the velocity of each particle is 0.872 meter per second. Option A is correct. Okay. We continued this question. In the above question, if at the end of 4 seconds, the string is cut. In the above question, if at the end of 4 seconds, the string is cut. The position of each particle in next 2 seconds will be option A. Option A 17.856 meter from 21.344 meter. Option B minus 21.344 meter from 17.856 meter. Option C minus 17.856 meter 21.344 meter. Option D minus 17.856 meter minus 21.344 meter. Okay, this is the option. Here in the above question this is the question. In the above question, at the end of 4 seconds the string is cut. The position of each particle in the next 2 seconds will be T is equal to 2 seconds. Okay. Position of the particle after 2 seconds will be. When the string is cut, this is the initial acceleration direction. Initial acceleration direction. When the string is cut, the A is move in downward direction, and also B is also moving in downward direction. But initially the acceleration of the body A is in upward direction, but acceleration of the body B is in downward direction. Okay. When the string is cut, the position of the particle of body A is we take it as negative because acceleration is in upward direction. And for this body, the position height of the body is taken as positive because acceleration direction is in downward direction. Okay. From these equations, body A is position is negative. Negative is this option is wrong, and for this one is right, and this is also right, and both are negative, that is wrong. From these two options, which one is correct? From these two options, which one is correct? Okay. First, we have to calculate what is the position of the body or position of the two bodies. We know that velocity after 4 seconds, we know the velocity is equal to 0.872. V is equal to 0.872 meter per second. This velocity we take it as initial velocity. And acceleration A is equal to, we already calculated the acceleration. Acceleration is 0. How much? 0. That is 216. 0. Acceleration value. Acceleration value is 0.218 meter per second. But acceleration due to gravity value is 9.8 meter per second. Okay. Now calculate what is the position of the particle. We know the equations of motion. H is equal to ut plus half g t square. Here g is taken as negative. And u is equal to 0.872. Substitute the value. H is equal to 0.872 into t is 2 plus 1 by 2 times of minus 9.8 into t square value. 2 square is 4. Therefore, simplify this equations. H is equal to 0.872 into 2 is 1.744. Minus 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, minus of 4.9 into 4. Or this one is 2. This is also 2. This is 4. 4.9 into 4. 4.9 into 4. Simplify this equation. We will get minus 17.856 meter. 17.856 meter. This is the height of the body. Height of the body after 2 seconds. When the string is cut, the position of the body is h is equal to minus 17.856 meter. Therefore, from these two options, minus 17.856 meter and another one is absolutely positive. That is option C is correct for this question. Okay. We continued this question. In the above experiment, the height ascended or descended as the case may be during the time, that is 4 seconds will be. 4 seconds will be. Okay. In the above experiment, the height ascends or descends as the case may be during the maybe during the time, that is 4 seconds will be. 4 seconds will be. Same experiment, okay. Options are A is equal to 1.744 meter, B is equal to 70.44 meter, C is equal to 0.1744 meter, D is equal to none of this. The height ascends or descends as in the case may be during the time, that is 4 seconds will be. Same experiments. Mass of the body is 11.5 and mass of the body is 11 kg, and acceleration of the body is in downward direction, and this is in upward direction, this is the direction, this is also direction. How to calculate height? Height ascends or descends. We know that acceleration of the body A is equal to 0.218 meter per second. We already calculated acceleration. Okay. The height ascends or descends as in the case may be during the time 4 seconds will be. 4 seconds will be. The initial velocity of the bodies are 0. Initial velocities of the bodies we take it as 0. Therefore, h is equal to 1 by 2. U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. 1 by 2. 8 is 1 by 2. 8 is 1 by 2, 8 is square. Here t is equal to 4 seconds, h is equal to 1 by 2, a value is 0.218 into t value is 4 square. 4 square. Okay, h is equal to, after simplify this equation, we will get h is equal to 1.744 meter. It indicates A will ascends, A body A will ascends and body B will descends. Therefore, option A is correct. 1.744. 1.744. Okay. This is the solution for this question. Next question. Next question. A particle is projected at angle 60 degree with horizontal speed 10 meter per second. Then equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. We have to calculate the equation. Dyne is 2. Dyne is 2. A particle is projected at angle 60 degree with the horizontal with speed 10 meter per second. Then equation of directrix. Dyne is 2. Directrix is here the body initial velocity is given, that is 10 meter per second, projected with some angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Directrix is like this. Okay, this is also 60 degree. We know that horizontal component is x. X is equal to, our horizontal component we take as x. Options are a is equal to a, y is equal to 5, b x is equal to 5, c x is equal to 10, d x plus y is equal to 5. Horizontal component x is equal to, we know the formula, 2u square cos square theta divided by g. 2u square cos square theta divided by g. Substitute the values. X is equal to 2 into u square is 10 square divided by 9.8. After simplifying this equation, we will get x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Which one is correct? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay. Next problem is a tractor is used to hoist a body. Tractor A is used to hoist the body B. Body B with the pulley. Arrangement. With the pulley arrangement shown in figure. A is a forward velocity. A has a forward velocity. Forward velocity A. Find the velocity of the body. Find the velocity of body. Body B velocity we take it as dt. Okay. Body B velocity we take it as dt. The diagram is given. Diagram is like this. A is a tractor. And this one is G. Options are given. A is equal to XBA divided by 2. Option B, XBA divided by D. Option C, XBA divided by 2 root x square plus d square. X square plus d square. Option D, none of these. None of these. In this equation, this is x value. A tractor A is a tractor used to hoist a body B. Hoist means elitakanthadu. Okay. With a pulley arrangement as shown in the figure. A has a forward velocity. The velocity of the tractor A is forward in forward direction. Find the velocity of body B. Here, this value is D and this value is x. We take it as from this to this point, we call it as y. Y is the height. Okay. And remaining this height is d minus 1. And here also, this is d minus 1. This is also d minus 1. And total length of the string we take it as L. Total length of the string is taken as L. L is equal to d minus y plus d minus y. And from this point to this point we take it as small l length. Okay. This point to this point we take it as small l length. Therefore, total length of the string is d minus y plus d minus y plus l small l. Therefore, l is equal to 2 into d minus y plus l. How to calculate l value? I written it as like this. This is l and this one is d and this one is x. This is L, D, X and this is rectangle triangle 90 degree and this one is theta. How to calculate this value? L is equal to square root of x square plus d square. L is equal to square root of x square plus d square. Okay, x square plus d square, like this here. This value is L and this one is D and this value is x. Okay. Therefore, L is equal to x square plus d square root of x square plus d square. Substitute the value of L. Capital L is equal to 2 into d minus 5 plus x square plus d square whole to the power of 1 by 2. We have to calculate velocity of body B, mass B. That is V. Differentiate this equation with respect to t partial. dn divided by dt is equal to 0. dn divided by dt is equal to 0. That is equal to 2 into d dd divided by dy is 0. D is constant minus 2 into dy divided by dt plus here this whole term we take it as a variable, that is 1 by 2 times of differentiation of this term x square plus d square whole to the power of n value is 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 into differentiation of this d square is constant, it becomes 0. 2x differentiation of 2x is differentiation of x square is 2x into differentiation of x is dx divided by dt. Here dy divided by dt is the velocity of the body B and the dx divided by dt is the velocity of the tractor. Okay, therefore 0 is equal to minus 2 into vb plus here 2 to cancel x into x square plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into x into va. Simplify this equation. Minus 2vb is equal to x into x square plus d square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 into this one is x cancel. Okay, v x square plus y square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2 can be written as vb is equal to x into va divided by x square plus d square whole to the power of 1 by 2 is square root into this 2 comes to this side. Therefore, velocity of vb is equal to xva divided by 2 into square root of x square plus d square. Which one is correct? Option C is correct. Okay, this is about the doubt questions. I cleared all the doubt questions. Okay, work out in the home. Thank you, students.